Hey guys, I'm here in my workshop. Today I'm going to be doing a build video of my new fat bike. Today I picked up the Pivot Less Fat frame. It's carbon fiber. Basically allows you to do 29 plus, 27 plus, 5-inch and 4-inch wheels on there. Super big, super light, super nice frame. It came with a carbon fiber fork. I probably won't be using this. Instead, I liberated my RockShox Bluto fork off my older fat bike. BZA carbon fiber handlebars, Chromag stem, and a set of Chromag grips. Shimano XT brakes, so rear derailleur and shifter. New chain, E13 cranks. Came with a 32 tooth chain ring, but I swapped out and got myself a 28 tooth from Jaguar cables. Nice blue ones. I've got my old Surly Clown shoes with Hope rim, Hope hubs, Hope blue routers to go in there to match the frame. This is the rear wheel. XX1 set on there. Fenders here from Beaver Guard fenders. For the seat, I have a DD and the Chromag Dolomite seat post.
And now here's the final build. I've made some changes, and currently I've added a 1-up dropper post, upgraded the front and rear tires to a Rothschild and Dillinger rear. Now, let's see how the bike rides.
Woohoo! Descend! whoa, whoa.
Thanks for sticking around, and if you like my content, please give me a like or subscribe. I'll see you for another riding video soon.